Good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. And I'm Sachin Pal. I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. And I hope you all are doing well. And thank you so much for being with me on this English speaking journey. And as you all are well known, like I have taken 100-day challenge for myself. And in that particular challenge, I am going to create a video blog in spoken English on daily basis till 100 days without any skip. And today is the 36th day of that particular challenge. And as you all are well known, like before 2 days I have taken a challenge for myself, like I'm going to narrate some random things whatever come in front of me. But now I think that I'm going to narrate some stories where you all are able to get some message, and which is able to change your life. So today, in order to that, today also I'm going to narrate a story. There was a young boy Kabir living in his village with his family, and in his belonging from nuclear family, and in his family his parents and one elder brother was living. And he completed his academics and intermediate. After completion of intermediate, he is not feeling to do anything. He is just trying to live in his house, eating and just sleeping in day and night and roaming here and there without any purpose. And he's not also not able to help his parents in the house chores. And his father is a farmer. He's working very hard in his fields to in order to grow the crops. And his mother is also working too hard in order to prepare food and do the house chores. But he is not helping his mothers and parent in their house chores or field work or farming work. But after some certain amount of time, he's just living in his house and he's wasting time. So when his mother realized, like he is not able to do anything in his life, then in that village there was a Baba Guru is living, and the Baba Guru age is 65 years. He is an old person and he is living alone in his house, which is apart from the village. And his mother took him towards Baba Guru. They both goes to the Baba Guru house, and he imagine like Baba Guru is going to give so many speeches towards him. But Baba Guru was very calm, and he had gentle smile on his face. And he when the Kavi turn came, then Baba Guru simply said, come tomorrow 6 a.m. or come tomorrow in the morning 6. So Kabir said, Kabir is not able to understand why he said that. But he just goes to his house, and next day he came to the Baba Guru at in the morning at 6 a.m. And Baba Guru also said to Kabir, like, when you came yesterday, then you need to have a diary with you. So next day Kabir came to the Baba Guru house with a diary at 6 a.m. And then Baba Guru said to the Kabir, like, you need to do some little or tiny activities, or at least three tiny activities on daily basis. So in order to complete that activities, you must need to write that activities in your diary. It may be like you need to wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m., and you need to drink some water, like 1 glass water on every day without eating anything. After that, you need to do 10 push-ups on every day. And if you are able to complete that activity, then you also need to read write these things in your diary. So Kabir smiled on this, and he said to the Baba Guru, like, I think these small activities not able to change my life and my personality. But Baba Guru said you need to do these activity with some discipline and consistency. So he started doing these kind of little activity on each day, as Baba Guru said, and he is able to do this kind of activity for 3 days, and after 3 days he felt like I'm not doing great things in my life, I'm just wasting my time, and he quit. But after 1 week he realized that I need to go to the Baba Guru once again. So then he goes to the Baba Guru house again, and he sit with Baba Guru, and he started telling his story with Baba Guru, like, I have started doing the activity whatever you said earlier, but I'm able to do these activities for 3 days. After that I lose motivation or energy to do that. I think these kind of activities not able to change my personality or life. But Baba Guru said again, you must need to do these activity till 21 days. And if you are going to do these kind of things till 21 days, and also you need to do some different activity on each day. Like first day you need to first wake up early in the morning, after that need to drink water and make your bed, and do some stretching exercise, and push-ups and pull-ups. And next day you need to wake up early in the morning, drink some water, and you need to read some books like motivational books and some self-help books. So Kabir agreed and nodded on the Baba Guru thoughts or sayings, and he came to his house, and from next day he started following Baba Guru sayings or thoughts totally, and he is able to do these all activities, like the three tiny activities on each day, and he is able to complete these activities till 21 days. Then when he visited to the Baba Guru, so Baba Guru, after seeing Kabir, Baba Guru smiled on him, and he is able to notice the changes on, like whatever changes is reflecting in Kabir. So now Kabir is more calm and focused, and he is seeing seems like a physically strong person. So the motive of this story is, if you are able to do some little activity on each day, then these little activity is going to add on, is helping you in order to get your goals or success. Y- you need to have attitude like, I'm able to improve myself only 1% on each day. Then in 365 days you are able to change your whole life direction. Like if you talk, for example, if you talk about an aeroplane, so an aeroplane, if we change only 1 degree angle for 10,000 miles, then that aeroplane is able to land on totally different city. So if you are also able to apply these activities or these tiny habits on your life, then you are also able to change your life and you are able to achieve your goal. It may be anything. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are able to learn something from my blogs. And if you are really feeling like you are able to learn something from these blogs, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need it. So yeah, that's it for today. Goodbye, take care, stay healthy and wealthy, stay focused and stay learning. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for being with me on this English speaking journey.